Working with legacy Microsoft Office and have an MGC file from Clip Organizer? These are media catalog files from a discontinued Office utility. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these Microsoft Clip Organizer media catalog files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful MGC file inspection tool. MGC files are media catalog files used by Microsoft Clip Organizer, a clip art and media management utility included with older Office versions. They store organized collections of clip art images, sounds, and animations with metadata for use in Office documents. MGC files use Microsoft's proprietary catalog format, storing references to media files with categorization keywords, thumbnails, and search indexes following the Clip Organizer specification for managing reusable clip art collections in Office 2003, 2007, and 2010. The specialized program designed to handle MGC is Microsoft Office by Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows shows only the file shell, so deeper insight relies on tools designed to read indices. Your first step towards full access, right-click the MGC file and select Open With. If Microsoft Office is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If you cannot access the MGC file, no problem. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, opening in Clip Organizer. Install Microsoft Office 2003, 2007, or 2010, which includes Clip Organizer. Launch the utility from the Office Tools folder in the Start menu. Use File, then Open Clip Library to load the MGC file displaying organized media collections for use in Office documents. Next, migrating to Modern Office. Modern Office versions removed Clip Organizer in favor of online clip art search. Manually extract media files referenced in the MGC catalog and add them to a custom folder structure, or use SharePoint or OneDrive for organized media library management in current Office. Finally, running on legacy systems. Use a Windows 7 virtual machine with Office 2010 installed to access MGC files. Tools like VirtualBox or VMware host legacy systems for opening Clip Organizer catalogs that don't work with modern Office versions or Windows 10 and 11. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.